Hi, Wouter.
Hi, Anne-Marie.
Hi. Can you tell me something about your research in WM and what was your most important takeaway from this conference?
Well, of course. Yeah. So I'm a medical doctor from the Netherlands, and I started my PhD a little bit more than over a year ago. And I'm working, what I find interesting in Waldenstrom's is that it's a very complex disease, with not only the disease being in the bone marrow, but also with the IgM that can also cause a lot of symptoms. So that's what I've been working on mostly now, is trying to characterize the IgM structure and to see whether or not it's different within patients, but also the complications of the IgM. For instance, amyloid, how can we treat those patients? Are there any other options for them? And that's what I've been mostly focusing on right now. And what I find very interesting about this Congress is that everybody's so Waldenstrom focused. So when you get together in a room, you just see collaborations everywhere. Everybody's contributing to the same thing. So I think that's, for me, the most interesting part.
Agree.
But how about you?
So I'm Becking. I'm a medical doctor and a PhD candidate as well in Amsterdam. I'm collecting research on WM and in particular, called glutenin disease. One of my projects is about the characterization of these clones in the bone marrow, how we can best distinguish them from each other. And on the other hand, I'm also doing more qualitative research on what patients find important in their treatments for WM. It's called the WM Voice study. And what I think is very interesting from this meeting that I take away is that you see that all these bright people all over the world are working on WM, and that most recent treatments that we have and testing them and comparing them to each other. And I think it's really important to have these data to, in the end, translate them to our clinic and see how patients value these treatments and what they find important in their healthcare.
I completely agree.